we will adjourn now. We are very good time in terms of the schedule of the procedural order as amended for the hearings, and we will meet tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Yes?
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman. I actually have a question just in terms of the order of the proceeding tomorrow. Am I correct that tomorrow we have 2 fact witnesses in the morning, and then the two Guatemalan law experts in the afternoon? Just want to make sure we have the correct order.
We have, in the order I have here, Arturo Gramajo, Roberto Morales, Eduardo Mayora, and Juan Luis Aguilar.
Okay. So we can confirm for the tribunal that notwithstanding our best efforts, Mr. Roberto Morales is unable to come to Guatemala and was only, is unable to come to Washington, D.C. from Guatemala and was only available via video conference, and the tribunal has already ruled on that. So he's not available tomorrow morning. And so I guess the question is, of the witnesses that were here that claimant had requested the right to cross-examine, are there any of those that you want to do tomorrow morning after Dr. Gramajo, or if not, we just go right into the Guatemalan law experts?
Can you ask me about Marroquin? We have him on Friday morning. Is he coming?
Yes, but he will only be available Friday morning. I think his flight arrives at like 1 in the morning tomorrow. In other words, 1 in the morning Friday. He's unable to get here any sooner, unfortunately.
But he will be here at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Because it will be very important for your closing statements and for us to have some time.
He will be here ready to testify 9 a.m. on Friday morning. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question.
The question is whether we're going to have any time tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, is the.
Yeah, I've got to see something.
There is Mr. Osvaldo Morales that you had postponed. No. You will decline.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Orta, what was, just remind us, Mr. Morales' position?
Okay, so Mr. Roberto Morales or Osvaldo Morales?
Roberto, who you said was unable to come, what had his position been?
Mr. Roberto Morales is a third party who conducted a study that was commissioned by Ferrovias and determined that basically the rail business it's our contention, his study proves that the rail business was not of interest to the sugar industry in the South for a number of reasons as set forth in his report.
So we will see 3 people that of the 4 I have listed, and we will see them in sequence. And we will adjourn whenever we have finished. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it will be el señor Gramajo, el señor Mayora, y el señor Aguilar.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So have a good evening.
You too. Thank you.